Alright, what I'm doing here is technically following Master Z on, well, MX2, whatever he wants to call himself now. I'm calling him Master Z. Um, Working the corner. Yeah, he's got me out here working a corner. I'm a hard working girl. Nah, but I just wanted to test myself, see how fast I could, how far I could get in the 20 minutes. Because I've been watching his work the corner video, and in 20 minutes he gets a lot farther than I do in 20 minutes. But still, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to build up the repetitiveness of using hops and box cutter a lot more. Because I like a lot of the workflows that they have. It's quick, simple, convenient, and plus I kind of miss Master Z. In a sense, I mean, I guess because he's not really been doing a lot of stuff. I think the last time he posted was like a year ago or whatever, unless he's like doing like box cutter updates or hard ups updates. So I don't know, I'm just trying to fill that void. I'm probably not as good, but doesn't really matter. I get better over time and probably get better talking or whatever. I don't know, I get a little antsy when I do videos. I can talk fine when I'm not doing a video, but like whenever I go to do a video, I get nervous or start stuttering or throwing a lot of likes out there or something. But it don't matter. All we're doing here is cutting the fucking box. And as you can tell, the audio is not live because I'm not talking while I'm doing this. I'd probably actually be talking more about like doing the work or whatever, like what buttons I'm pushing a little bit, because Master Z says like to keep a cutter live or something, it's like shift click. No, not anymore. No, it's not. Unless he's got like his shit set up specific or whatever. It's not like that. It's like you gotta click the left and the left and the right mouse button together, or whatever, or you're still holding the right mouse, and then you click the left one, and you can't like let off. I think it has to be together, and it'll keep the cutter live. And then you can fuck with it or whatnot while it's still live. But yeah, I'm just cutting a box. Getting better with the tools. I'm really into these pie menus. These pie menus are badass. At that rate, honestly, I'm almost half tempted to save my blender without this little side box over here, just like modeling or whatever. Just a full open model thing. I think I'm gonna put the bool shift too, also on um one of my hotkeys over here, the G keys, because I use shift bool or boolean, like, or not shift the bool or bool scroll. You scroll through the booleans or whatever a lot. It's easier to scroll through them that way than it is going through the collection. But yeah, I'm just trying to bring a little bit of, I guess, my own version of Master Z onto the scene or whatever, because I miss him. And yeah, don't think I'm gay or anything. It's just like, he's awesome. Like, he's like the best 3D dude that I like to watch. Like really. Other than like somebody like, whatchamacallit, I don't know his name, like A something 3D. He's pretty good. Um, But I just like the workflow Master Z uses for like a lot of this shit, and like quickness and speed. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to build up my ability to do it like Master Z does. Master Z cuts this shit up so quick. It's like just like impossibly hard to keep up sometimes. He's so quick. And yeah, this is sped up times 2, so it's only like 10 minutes long, but it's technically like 20 minutes. It took me 20 minutes to cut this, what little bit I did. We're about halfway through now. I don't know. I'd talk about games or something, because I know Master Z used to talk about games every now and again. And he was working or whatever. But I don't know. The state of the game industry is kind of like shit. Like, really shit. It's kind of odd. Like, I don't know. Anybody can flog me for saying this if you want, but they keep bitching diversity, diversity. But, like, if you look at, like, Insomniac, CD Projekt Red, I think there's, like, 2 other ones. They've got, like, whole teams of girls. Like, what kind of diversity is that? That's not diversity, that's, like, exclusivity. And I feel like, in a sense, that's one of the reasons why it's hard to get a job in the industry, because they just don't want to hire men, for one, and for 2, everything's going to shit because nobody's buying their fuck crap games. I guess since we're on that, I'll talk about a little bit of escapism here lately, because everybody's kind of like, there's no escapism anymore. Everything is the message. The message or die. I want to talk about my forms of escape. The way I escape the message. 1. Blender. 2. Unreal. 3. Work. And not just this, like outside work, every kind of work, all work. Just work, because I'm bored. Like, they've literally made it so goddamn boring. Media sucks, TV sucks, cartoons suck, TV shows suck, movies suck, video games are starting to suck. I'm actually coming to a realization that it's most likely when stuff gets too big for its britches, like Hollywood and the game industry and a few other things, they just turn into like fucking crazy fucking cracktivists, because money doesn't matter anymore. And really, money at that point, when they've got so much money, at some point money does not matter. Almost like Disney, like they're hard about pushing the message or whatever, and soon enough, when the money fully stops and they're fucking losing so much goddamn money, they'll quit, or there just won't be a Disney anymore. I don't know. It's just something to talk about, because then we're getting a little tired talking about modeling or whatever. So I figured I'd touch on like the game industry and like the current state of things. You know, because even though I'm a working girl, I can have fucking goddamn opinions. Slice in the box. I've only got a minute. I don't think I have enough time for it. But okay, when I was a fucking maid at the inn, I was fucking with the person who ran it like every time like she was around, or any time really. When I was talking to the other girls there, like I was like, it takes a lot to keep this girlish figure. I'd call myself a girl all the time. And then the manager was like, comes in one day and she's like, I'm gonna call in somebody to help you girls or whatever. I just looked at her and I was like, you really think I'm a girl? The fuck is your problem? Pulled a Cartman on that bitch. The only thing I didn't do was put a bow in the hair. We're down to about a minute left. See, I'm just going after a couple days of practicing. This is like what, 2-3 days of practicing. I'm just not that fast. Like, Master Z was probably already, like, way farther than this. I think he was working on the center. And the cool cuts right in the side that I didn't get to. Because I didn't have enough time. A lot of my thing is this right here. I need to do it to where I can do all this stuff on the fly. Like Master Z. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I'm doing this, though. Now, I'm probably not going to make another video or whatever about, like, doing this specific. Maybe later